taking apart an engine, you don't just start from anywhere. There are the steps.
The steps, yes.
You do. And for every engine, there are the small variances that people need to know. So as I have a 1K ZDTE engine. As I was taking it up, disassembling the engine, there's a step that I would say I skipped. Or I missed. And in the process, I destroyed a turbo.
Wow.
A turbo that was okay, that was good. But because of the...
You didn't have to replace.
Yes, I didn't have to replace. Because of the mistake, or the... Let me not call it a mistake, because not negligence. Let me say, the lack of know-how. I skipped a step, and in the process, it broke. And let me tell you, when it broke, I was like, it's life. And I didn't feel it at the moment. I continued. But when I went to look for another turbo
to replace,
I feel like I can cry.
Please don't.
Because, let me say, I had the assumption of, it's maybe 8,000, at most 10,000. For me, and I'm not saying I'm rich, that is not big deal.
Yeah, as
But
compared to a turbo.
I went and asked for the price. I was even cocky. I was telling them, bring it.
And bring the
Yes.
various ones you
And
have so that I can choose.
Yes, I choose the best. The cheapest one. Well, it's new. He told me 65,000 Kenyan shillings.
oh my goodness.
A moment of silence.
A moment of I felt like I could faint. Have you ever looked at a person? Did you say
And you're just-
6,500
and
or
you're just
65,000?
starting. Oh my God.
And it is my first car. And I don't sleep in money. So, I would say it crushed my
Your spirit.
confidence. Not, yes, the confidence that, you know, if you have not had a failure, you're like, it's not even that hard. Yes. Now you have hit. Have you ever been between a hard place and a rock? You are there and you are like, oh my God. You start asking yourself, why? What was I thinking?
Happened?
So I'm looking at the situation whereby now I have to go at an expense of 65,000 Kenya shillings,
Which you should not have.
which I should not have incurred that cost just because of a mistake. I would say that is like, even now, the biggest. I have done others. I have broken nuts. I have destroyed lights. But for them, I would say 600, 400. It was not that bad. But 65,000.
65,000 was quite a lot.
It's quite a lot. And the bad thing is that you might have the money, but unfortunately, I don't think there is a person in this world that can say, I have money, but I don't have
Anything to
anything to do with the money.
Like it